Eat it raw and live to 100. To understand the answer, first, understand the problem. In the early 1900s, Dr. Pottinger wanted to determine the effect of eating cooked foods. As an experiment, he took several hundred cats and basically put them into two groups. In one group he fed raw and uncooked foods, and thus the second group fed only cooked foods. This was the result. During the entire experiment, the raw cat food was robust, healthy, and effective. However, cooked cat food failed to perform well. The first generation of cooked cat foods lived a traditional life, and developed diseases. Near the highest levels of their lives. The second generation fell ill. In the middle of their lives. The third generation either were born with diseases or contracted diseases shortly after birth. When they fell, the cats could not right themselves, i.e. dysfunctional. Maybe they don't play, have emotional problems, and fight a lot. Those who had grown to maturity were impotent, barren, or sterile. The experiment had to be terminated. Because of cooked food, cats cannot produce a fourth generation. So how does this relate to us as humans? We are just in the same position. You see, in the early 1900s, Americans ate an impressive amount of local foods from their gardens. Much of it was raw and rich in nutritional value and life ingredients. Today, we mostly eat highly cooked and processed foods. Until recently, the typical household spent $1.74 a week on raw foods. It was common for the average person to travel a week or two without eating any raw foods of the slightest, like third-generation cats. Babies are born with illnesses or develop illnesses soon after birth. Many people cannot have children, or suffer from infertility or impotence. Miscarriages and emotional problems increase. According to the World Health Organization, we have one of all the, as an experiment, worst health pictures in the world today, and are among the worst epidemic of chronic degenerative diseases that humanity has ever known. Here's what the American Cancer Society, as well as the American Heart Association, are saying after billions of dollars in research. By eating 5 to 9 servings of raw fruits and vegetables daily, you will cut major diseases in half. Researchers are still finding elements in fruits and vegetables that strengthen our immune system, hinder the occurrence of degenerative diseases, and contribute to the physiological state. Sadly, many people don't consider to eat enough raw fruits and vegetables. Those we eat tend to be overprocessed, overcooked, or too far out of the way, and therefore lack much of the nutrition that fresh and raw fruits and vegetables provide. At the end of the day, you are what you eat. Cooking kills enzymes. Enzymes are needed in every biological process. By eating raw fruits and vegetables daily, you will eliminate many diseases and improve your quality of life and lovemaking. The hypocrites knew this by saying, "Let your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food." For more information about raw food and its benefits, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheet PDF into your email, and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Click the link below to get access.